Hello travelers! Today we are going to another of the coolest neighborhoods in Barcelona, Poble You. Hey travelers, welcome back to my channel about the greatest things to do in Barcelona. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I'm Valerie, I'm a local in Barcelona and I help travelers like you to plan your trip to this incredible city. But today I'm not alone.
Hey travelers! Everybody knows the Gothic quarter and La Barceloneta neighborhood, but today we are gonna take you to some place completely off the beaten track. Poble You. Let's go! This area was the biggest industrial area of the whole country of Spain at the end of the 1800s. Once an industrial hub, it now is a modern hood where many artists live and produce their artwork, many of whom had transformed these rundown old factories into beautiful contemporary workshops. The decline of the industrial activity in the 60s led to a significant change in the quarter, whose ground was released, becoming a residential area with a better quality of life. This whole process reached its highest point in 1992 with the ongoing development of the social, urban and economic profile of the area, thanks to a plan called 22@. This project has transformed Poble You into the city of knowledge, where the old factory buildings now house new economic activities, studios and residences adapted to the new times.
You are so lucky to be with us today because Agatha's friend owns an old factory which is now transformed into a creative workshop. Shall we go there?
Let's go!
Let's go!
Product Bureau was founded by three friends who took over an old metalwork factory and transformed it all by themselves into an amazing workspace.
The most lively place in this neighborhood is La Rambla de Poble You, where we are now, right?
Yes, and we're gonna drink an horchata in one of the oldest horchaterias in town that was found in 1912. And if you don't know what an horchata is, you definitely have to come to Poble You and try one in one of the hot summer months. Let's go. Valerie, wow, look at all these beautiful bamboo trees around this square.
Yes, we are in the old center of Poble You, known as Taulat.
And what is very typical for this area are the narrow streets and the humble fishermen houses. We now are in Plaza Prim, and here you can still absorb this real character of the Poble You, which is like a working class vibe.
Okay, travelers, here we are in Palo Alto Market, an urban oasis to be enjoyed with all five senses.
And it is not a typical street market. As soon as you enter the gates, it feels like you've entered a completely different world to itself, populated by musicians, designers, craftsmen, and chefs. And it was Javier Mariscal, a Catalan internationally renowned artist, who had the idea to transform this factory into this amazing modern market.
Amazing about this neighborhood that makes it so special. The beach! Yay!
Stay tuned for our next coolest neighborhoods in town video and click on the bell to get notified when the next video is out.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, travelers. See you next week with more things about Barcelona. Goodbye, travelers!
Bye, travelers!